Good morning, friends. Myself, Naresh Kumar Jayewar, Assistant Professor, Agriculture and Entomology, Department of Agriculture and Entomology, Vasantrao Naik, Marathwada Krishi Vidyapit, Karban. Today, I am going to discuss head and head positions. Insects are trachyate arthropods in which body is divided into three distinct regions called as head, thorax and abdomen. Grouping of the body segments into distinct regions is known as tegnosis and the body regions are called as tegmata. So, in this way the head becomes the first anterior tegma formed by the fusion of six segments, namely the pre-antennary segment which bears a paired compound eyes. Next one is antennary segment which bears a paired antennae. Third segment is intercalary which bears a single labrum. Fourth one is mandibular which bears a paired mandible. Fifth one is maxillary which bears a paired maxilla. Sixth one is labial which bears the labium. Then head capsule is attached posteriorly to the neck region of the body and it bears the mouth parts which usually direct either forward or downward according to the type of the insect. Then comes the important regions of the insect body head. This is usually frons which comprises most part of the head. Then comes jena which is immediately below the compound eyes and in between the behind the frons region, whereas at the bottom of the frons region lies the clypeus region. The occiput is the cranial area between occipital and post-occipital sutures. Head also bears some important organs like compound eyes which are visionary in functions, whereas the mouth parts like mandible, maxillae, labrum, labium and hypopharynx. In head, the extensal cleavage line is also very important because at the time of the molting, the head capsule breaks open through this line and this is also called as epicarnial suture, which is an inverted Y-shaped suture found medially on the top of head. Then the head orientation or insect head type. There are basically three types of heads called as prognathous, hypognathous and opistognathous. First one is prognathous. In this type, the head capsule is parallel to the body and mouth parts are directed towards the in line or forward to the forward in direction. Next one is the hypognathous. In this, the longest axis of the capsule is vertical or in 90 angles with the body and mouth parts are directed downwards. Whereas third one is the opistognathous, in which head is deflexed one and mouth parts are directed backward and held between the forelegs. The typical example of these three are for prognathous, the beetles are the examples, while hypognathous, grasshopper, and for opistognathous, the bugs are the ideal example of these three types. Thank you for your patient hearing. If you have any queries, those are welcome.